kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Giving your favorite dishes, your favorite food. Anyway, today we make you a nice, lovely salad because it's coming up to summer. Everyone excited about summer. The weather come out the other day. Really, the time so hot. You need something to keep you in that really good time, guys. Anyway, today menu we make you a salad with celery and apple and raisin and mayonnaise mixed together. Goes really well. It's a nice salad, guys. If it doesn't try it, you doesn't know. So hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and as I always say, you can donate if you got too much money at home. Remember, you can get a copy of the book 50% off on Amazon. Thank you so much for all of the time you're spending watching the video and leaving your comments. See you next time. To be in the kitchen, guys. Bye-bye. Anyway, today we want to make you a nice, lovely salad. It is summer, and you know what I mean. Summertime, we always do a lot of salad. It's gonna be celery and apple and raisin. Look at this. First of all, I have a little medium-sized bowl right here with a little bit of water. Second thing, what we're gonna do, you can either squeeze the lime juice in it like this, or you can use the other lime where you can buy in the supermarket. It come in the bottle. That's fine. So I'm using one large lemon in the water. Second thing, get the apple. And I'm simple. Cut up my apple chunky. And you can use red and green apple if you like. It doesn't mind. So what happened now? The lemon do take away. You know, sometimes the apple get black, so the lemon kill that. So we're gonna use 2 apples. Same like this. I'm already washed off the apple then. Nice one. Lovely. So right here I have some celery, and I'm gonna use 2. I'm already washed them off. As you can see, them clean already. Alright? Make sure you wash them because them always dirty. Simple. Medium size each. Nice. And put it straight inside of a big bowl. Like this. That's the big bowl right here. So what I'm gonna do, I might drop one more celery inside of it. And celery is good for you. If you didn't know, celery is really, really good for you. Alright? So this is the apple, and this is the celery stick right here. Alright? Simple, you can either drain off your apple into a container, but I'm just gonna pour them in like this. Remove them from the water. Pour it like this. Nice one. Put this at the side. This right here. Mix it up. Put the celery together. Lovely. Then we're gonna get a puck of celery, a puck of raisin, and put in it like this. You can put a handful of raisin if you have enough, but I just have them like a puck, and I'm just gonna pop a puck of it inside of it. Puck of raisin. Give it a mix, just like this. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. And I want to say something to you guys. It's the best this for summer. Celery and also apple. Really good. Especially the kind of weather, this goes really well. So what we're gonna do now, gonna put 1, 2, 3 spoons of mayonnaise inside of it. Cover it just like that. Nice and lovely. So I'm gonna put the mayonnaise. What we're gonna do? Put on our gloves. Simple. Mix it up like this. Nice and lovely. Simple. So as you can see, that's it in the bowl. Looking lovely. Apple and celery and a raisin. Then simple. You can simply share it out like this. And I know you guys gonna love this. Simple. Put a little piece of mint on top of it. And some more raisin. And you can serve it on your table if you're a person who loves celery and apple. It's a nice salad recipe, guys, which I'm introducing to you from Chef Ricardo. As you can see, that's so beautiful and nice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. It's a summer recipe and I know you guys will love it. Celery and apple with raisin. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team working very hard for you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.